Hi guys, আমি অ্যাকচুয়ালি একটা কোয়েশ্চেন করেছিলাম that if I should do a live while getting ready. লাইভটা তো করা হলো না, so I thought of sharing a little bit of tips with you guys that what I exactly do while I'm getting ready. As you can see, I'm wearing this beautiful kameez. I love it because I love the combination, the royal blue and reddish একটা combination with gold, one of few of my favorite colors. Actually, I love royal blue, and এটার সাথে I gave this look. I kept it very simple. I used mascara. Mascara is like my favorite. I can actually use 5 or 10 layers. And তার সাথে যে মেকআপটা রেখেছি, because I'm going on TV, এই জন্য একটু বেসটা আমি হেভি করেছি, and my show will be at 9 p.m. and I hope to catch some of you with me. So সেটার জন্য আমি একটু বেসটা হেভি রাখি, and এখন what I'm gonna do is add a little bit of touch-ups. I'm gonna use my compact, and usually when I go for a TV show আমি compact K02 or KR01 টা, especially আমার inner corner যেটা inner lines, inner face আমি এটা ইউজ করি, and then outer K03 or K06 সেটা ইউজ করি. So right now I'm using K02. To be honest, এটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমার ব্যাগেই থাকে, বিকজ whenever I go for a TV show আমি তখনই জাস্ট যখন একটা টাচ আপ দরকার হয় তখনই আমি একটা টাচ আপ করে ফেলি তাড়াতাড়ি করে, চট করে. And this is usually always in my purse because of the weather. দেখা যাচ্ছে যে আমাদের অনেক বেশি সোয়েটিং হয়. And then obviously I'm gonna do a little bit of contouring. A little bit of blushing. Right now my current favorite is Estee Lauder A color. It's so beautiful. I'll show you actually this color. And now the lipstick, but obviously lipstick are a little bit of shimmer. And shimmerটা আমার current favorite হচ্ছে Dancing Star from Kona by Farnaz Alam. And যেহেতু I'm going on TV, I'm not gonna use a lot because I don't want it to look oily. But হ্যাঁ, আমি একটু হালকা ইউজ করব, especially this place. Yes, exactly here. Just very lightly, and just on my nose. What I love about this shimmer is that glow. I really love this glow. I mean, usually use kori on my cheek as well, especially on this place, but since I'm going on TV right now, I'm not gonna use it. And I'll finish it off with my lipstick. And jehetu I'm wearing this beautiful blue color with red, I thought I'm gonna use Scarlet today because I kept my eyes very light, just a little bit of a blue eyeliner, halka eyeshadow, all matte. So etar sathe I thought that why not use a dark red color. So let's see how it goes. So আমি আগে একটু লিপটা লাইন করে নিচ্ছি. I'm going to use Scarlet, and I love this color. This is the Scarlet, and এটার সাথে আমি একটু passionate mix করব. I think I love this color, especially এই ড্রেসের সাথে, এই লুকের সাথে this goes perfectly. আমি এটার সাথে একটু passionate mix করব. And passionate, what I love about passionate is it is red. So and আমি একটু inner side এ ইউজ করছি. I didn't use it all over, as you can see. And I'm done. So this is exactly the look I'm gonna wear off today on GTV. I hope to catch some of you with me. and I hope you guys like this look. I actually love doing these kind of simple looks. I love simple looks, so I hope you guys like it too. If you have any questions, you can ask me directly on my Instagram. Bye.